Take me to the crab trap. Oh my goodness! Oh, I look so gross.
Clouds roll by, glittering. I never thought they would let me in.
We hope we catch you and not just some kelp.
You don't want to put things kind of crab, yeah. Whoa!
I hope it's not just you. I hope you called some friends.
Called some friends.
Oh, whoa. Take me to the crab trap. It's so much nicer when it's sunny out.
Oh man, everything is just right.
What?
Everything is right.
Everything's right. You're so much more happy and pleasant to be around.
You're not always such a bag of fun yourself, you know.
A bag of fun. Please don't ever refer to me as a bag. It could be bag of fun or anything else. Can you see it at all?
No. Here it comes. I feel like there's a bunch of crabs.
There is?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my
Goodness. Oh.
Oh no, what do we do?
What do we do with all these
They
crabs?
look big enough too. They look big enough that we could keep them. I was thinking like one.
I feel a little scared of them now.
I know. Okay, watch out for pincers. You'll listen to them.
These are red rock crab.
Are you nervous?
Yeah. Well, I just gotta.
We gotta get them in the water again. This is so crazy. Lyndon's just grabbing the tape measure, and they look like they're the right size though, like a bunch of them. So we'll see. See how brave we are. We're just going for it. Careful.
So that's definitely a male.
Okay. Do you want to just separate them?
Where's
like
the
that?
measuring tape?
I gave it to you, didn't I?
No.
Oh, it's right here. Sorry. So you can tell they're males because of that piece on their belly.
Yeah.
Goes straight up rather than rounded. And they have to be how big?
Ah!
It's okay, they can only pinch you with their pincers.
Yeah, but look how sharp those are. Okay.
Just flip them up. Is these too small?
Yeah, throw them in.
Can you flip them over or no?
I don't want them to pinch me.
Sweet, babe. So proud of you.
Okay, going back in.
Catch you next time. He looks small.
What adventure was I doing? Buddy, I don't want to rip your arm off.
There. He let go. This little buddy's just hanging on for a while, so we'll just leave him till he. Let's go. No females, hey?
Female.
I'm so proud of you, babe. They're all so small.
It's female.
That's a female?
I mean, sorry, male.
Too small.
Come on, bud.
We'll put you back. We're throwing you back. So how many did you just chuck back? Was it 7? 8? And then we probably got 10 or 11. Let go. There he goes.
Do you want to throw away the small guy?
I probably should, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to put my hands in there though.
Oh, they're pretty close.
Yeah, and that guy's very big. Uh-oh. And we don't actually know if that one's male, right?
No,
What
we
if-
do, I'm pretty sure. You're gonna have to stick your hand in there, grab the big guy, move him.
No!
There you go.
I don't want to do it! I just have no desire to do this. I should do it.
Yeah.
Can I dump some water off?
Why?
Then I don't know, it seems safer. Don't fight, guys.
Only
Oh, no.
one of you has
Oh, no.
to die.
I don't like this. Come on, move around again.
Okay, Tiff, waiting for you.
Yeah, you can keep waiting.
You gonna do this or what? Oh look, he's presenting himself.
That's the big one.
Well, just grab him and then grab the other guy with the other hand.
I don't really want to touch them. I don't really want to do it. I really don't.
Come on, this is gonna be...
Oh, I look so gross.
Don't get pinched, because that would hurt.
I know. I'm waiting for him to move so I can grab the other one.
Okay, I don't want to record much more. So.
Well, you can stop recording and then wait until something happens. Get those claws back in there.
No, let him. It's kind of cool.
And then what? What happens if he gets out?
Okay, I'll count you down. 10.
You can't just count.
9.
Start from 100.
8. 7. I feel like that's more dangerous than anything.
I don't want to do
5.
this anymore.
4.
What am I supposed to do?
We gotta get that other guy thrown
I
out.
should just touch him and then I'll be okay.
Okay,
Will
touch him.
I don't think I'll be okay.
Stop pouring water out. He's gotta live in there for a little bit.
He's got
There, see? Hard, it's not squishy.
Why is this so hard for me?
Now you gotta reach in between those two guys. Just grab the backs.
Ugh.
You got this.
I don't know how to do it.
Come on, Tiff.
This is so embarrassing.
We have other things we want to accomplish today.
Lyndon, I didn't anticipate this. So if I... Oh my goodness, it moved. It just moved.
Am I gonna have to take over? Or?
Yeah, I think...
No,
think
no,
he might.
that's not what you say.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, I can't do it. I can't do them both. I don't think I can do them both. Are you getting this on video?
Yes.
Can I just dump the other one over? No.
No, you need the water.
Okay, but that's my left hand. Oh, his legs!
I know.
Ooh.
It feels so weird.
Ow, they're actually quite sharp.
I know.
Oh,
Okay,
frick,
we're
Lyndon.
sure that's the big guy, right?
No.
Oh, he was fighting.
Okay, good?
Yeah, chuck him.
Why are you getting so hard?
Yahoo! Look at you go.
This is a little embarrassing, but I grew up by a lake.
Good for you, Tiff.
I'm growing strong inside too. It's so nice out. We're getting some sun, getting some solar power.
The solar panels have more than kept up in the sun. Today's the first day that we've been on anchor and it's like sunny.
Yeah.
I'm not cold.
Yeah.
It just is like, things are looking up. Maybe I could go down to just one shirt and a hoodie.
Then you'll feel cold again and you'll be like, I hate winter. I hate this so much. Should I start boiling the water?
Did you wash them? You
I
scrubbed
scrubbed
them?
So we just gave him
Give
a
him
little
scrub.
scratch. And I thought he was liking it, and then he freaks out a little. I have the water boiling, and we're gonna cook the crab. We've never done this before. We've heard that they smell quite a bit, so we're a little paranoid. So
Okay,
I've got all the hatches
Eduardo.
open. We got the fan hooked up. Eduardo. Buddy, I'm sorry, but thank you for your sacrifice. Okay, so you're gonna have to put him in and then cover it up right away.
Yeah.
You just spin.
You
Try to bite you.
did what
What crabs do?
you did.
Look at this.
Oh,
Oh,
wow,
wow,
he's
he's on his
really
back.
flipping himself over.
He knows. Okay, get ready with the lid. Maybe hold him up.
Wow, he's really holding on to me.
Oh. so bad. Are you okay? Oh wow. Careful, babe. Oh, he's mad. Okay, do you have the lid? Oh, okay.
Okay, bye, bud.
Okay, quick. Lid. Oh.
Timer! Go ahead, check.
No! Just leave it closed. I feel really bad. Thanks. Ooh, his arm came off.
It's really crappy. Wow, he did turn a beautiful color, though.
He really did.
Look at that color, though, hey?
Yeah, that's
Holy.
beautiful. Yeah, that's
Can
crazy.
you catch it?
I think so. Maybe if you put it in front of your face so that I know
And do
what
this?
to contrast it with. You can do that if you want.
Just got my ocean haul.
Ocean Hall. Yeah, bust it.
Should I bust it?
You have to bust the joint.
It doesn't feel good.
Oh, what? It doesn't feel good to do that. Oh. Okay, open it.
It's pretty flaky.
Don't flake it apart. Keep it as a piece. Oh, you're gonna eat it right now? No butter?
What?
Sure, try
I
it.
gotta try it. That's pretty good.
Really?
Try it out.
Ooh.
It kind of has a buttery flavor to it.
Yeah. That's not bad. Okay, we're going into the body. Look at you, just getting right in there.
I'm not excited about this part.
Whoa. Wow. Okay, wait, before you dump that out, let's get the rest of that meat out of there. So those are like the gills.
Yeah, those are the gills.
Wow, that's so insane. How do they feel?
Weird.
Whoa. Ooh, they're like almost slug-like. Oh my goodness, they're cool. We spent the rest of the evening cleaning the crab, and we made the meat into a delicious dip. I definitely think we'll try this again. We are going to pull up anchor and go to the marine park, which is just over there. We passed it coming here to Medicine Beach. So we plan to go there tonight, and then in the morning we're gonna wake up early and go hike it.
Let's not get too ambitious.
We plan
We're gonna wake up in the morning.
to wake up in the morning, and hopefully when it's still morning, go hike around. So the sun didn't really come out today, other than at like 7 this morning. So it's a bit chilly. But yeah, so I'm just getting the cockpit ready to just cruise over there. We made it here to Beaufort Marine Park, just a few minutes away from where we were. It's pretty nice out. We were just over there at Medicine Beach. And so we grabbed a mooring ball here. We'll spend the night and then go check out the park in the morning. We hope you enjoyed this episode. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. We post a new episode every Wednesday. If you want to support us on this adventure, head over to our Patreon page. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Links are below. You guys are the best. Thanks for watching.
To feel